You're never too old to learn, and it's never too late to get tested. The words of a woman who completed her associate degree at the age of 96 while battling breast cancer. Kian Morgan has more in this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope.
Born in 1925 and raised in Kensington, Portland, Violet Edwards says because of her zeal for learning, her primary school teacher encouraged her to apply for a full-time scholarship at the Happy Grove High School in the parish.
I gladly took the scholarship examination, and eventually, 2 weeks, I think it took 2 weeks, he called us back again to his office. Oh, you kids did very well in that examination. But I'm regret to say only one of you passed the examination. And he said, Violet, that one was you.
A moment of triumph, but the first of many hurdles to cross, like the Second World War.
Sometimes in the night you're studying and there's a sound, there's sound from across some ocean somewhere, and that sound tell you to turn off lights. Lights are turned off and you have your schoolwork to do. And I don't know, I took my books and I took my thing and I went under the table.
She was the only one of 14 students who passed her exit exams, but poverty stood in the way of her progress.
What will I do with this now? My mother has no money to send me to college.
She was forced to put her educational pursuits on hold and moved to Kingston to find employment. She would make another attempt at pursuing a bachelor's degree in the U.S. after migrating with her daughter. But once again,
I said, oh my Lord, but I can't go to school and study and then keep earning something. I have to leave something out. So I stopped.
Her focus shifted from returning to the classroom to assisting her daughter with her business and raising the grandchildren. However, a visit to Jamaica in 2020 proved life-changing. She recovered all her school documents.
I didn't know I was doing so well. I had no idea. So I took them home with me and I studied them. And I decided, I should go back and finish.
That led Mrs. Edwards to Right Mercy College, formerly the College of New Rochelle in New York. With 84 credits under her belt, she was admitted into the Associate Degree Liberal Arts program.
I can't stay in Florida and go. So I decided to do everything online, which was a challenging task for me. My daughter said, Mommy, go for it. I will help you with typing. And she employed somebody to help me with improve the typing and the uploading and the downloading.
But 2 weeks before completing the program, Mrs. Edwards was diagnosed with breast cancer. However, thanks to early detection, she was able to complete her degree while undergoing treatment.
I was determined to finish it. They thought I was going to give it up, but no, I did not give up. I said, I'm not giving up. He said, not at this time again.
She was unable to attend her graduation, so her school brought the ceremony to her. For Mrs. Edwards, age is just a number.
Tell women nowadays, they say, oh, I'm too old to go get tested. Look at me, That is one thing. And another thing, I'm too old to learn. Well, what am I telling you to do? Why, you can do it.
With a ray of hope, I am Kian Morgan.
An absolutely remarkable story